If you're a student and if you want to make 10k per month, this video is for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you guys the 5 best side hustles that you can start as a student and make $10,000 per month. And these side hustles include the things that I've done in the past that has actually helped me generate over 10k per month. And no, these side hustles are not limited to who you are, where you live, how old you are, and how much time in a day you have. All you need is literally 1 to 2 hours in a day, and you could literally be at the end of the world and you would still be able to make money off of these side hustles. So buckle up and make sure you watch this whole video, because I'm also gonna give you guys a secret tip that actually made me the most amount of money. Now the way that I did it is through dropshipping and e-commerce, just to get you guys cleared. The first side hustle that I'm gonna dive into is actually dropshipping. Now I know you guys have heard this a lot, but let me tell you guys the new way that you can actually do dropshipping that is called the Untapped method. And what do I mean by that is doing dropshipping in a way that nobody else is doing. It's called auto drop. Basically, instead of focusing in USA and UK market, you're gonna focus on the GCC and the Middle East market, and it's gonna be 10 times easier for you to overcome all of the competition. So how do you do it? I literally have made a complete video on that right here. You guys can click and watch the whole video. But on a simple short note, you guys can literally do dropshipping in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia now. It wasn't possible before. You had to be in the country itself in order for you to actually make money. But now you can literally do dropshipping in Dubai, which has the least amount of e-commerce stores compared to USA and UK. So make sure you guys do not miss out on this untapped version of dropshipping. And going to the second way of making 10k per month that nobody has ever talked about, it is doing TikTok organic videos for brands that are near your house, near you, or influencers. Now of course you guys already know this, content is the most important thing in 2023 and 2024, but utilizing TikTok is something that no other agency is actually utilizing. But now we are going to talk about SMMA, but instead of having a general agency that is doing everything, you're only going to focus on organic TikTok. I'm just going to give you guys a brand example here in Dubai, which is called K9 Unit. That company has over 180 clients, and all of those clients are paying more than 10k for 15 videos monthly. Now if you guys do the math, which I'm doing right now, 180 into 10,000, that's 1.8 million in a monthly basis. Now imagine only if you had 3 clients that's gonna pay you 10,000 dirhams per month, which is around $10,000. If you can get 3 clients that you're gonna actually promise creating high-end organic TikTok videos for, and you actually do it for $3,000 per month, you're literally making $9,000 per month just by creating TikToks for all of these brands. And of course, if you want to learn the whole process of how you actually do it, I have another video for that. But in simple notes, you create 15 high-quality TikTok videos for the brands, and you promote it throughout the 1 month, and you actually help them go viral on TikTok, which is super easy in 2023, 2024. Just by creating something random, you could literally go viral and you could literally get the brand viral. So do not miss out on this opportunity. The third side hustle that can make you $10,000 per month, which I started with, is actually building websites for different businesses, different coffee shops, whatever it is. You literally just build websites, nothing else. It's actually very simple. All you have to do is literally search for the businesses near your house and see if they have a website. If they do not have a website, literally write down an email to their email or call them and let them know that you can literally create a professional website for them for literally $500 to $1,000 depending upon their budget, and you can get it done within a week. Now imagine if you do this to 20 different businesses, and that's a month of work. That's literally around $10,000 to $20,000, which you guys could be missing out on. And building a website is the easiest thing to do, boys. I can literally build a website in half an hour on Wix.com or Shopify, and if you guys literally master it for 30 minutes to 1 hour in a day, you guys could literally build professional websites in 30 minutes to 1 hour only. Now the fourth side hustle, which is actually currently blowing up a lot, is affiliate marketing. And no, it's not the old way of affiliate marketing. This affiliate marketing is actually by being smart and selling what other people are trying to sell. For example, my mentorship program, Hustlers Ecom, we actually have a private mentorship which I'm selling for $3,000 monthly. And for me to sell that, I actually have a bunch of affiliates promoting it for me. And all of those affiliates actually get 20% of the whole commission. And that 20% is a lot, thinking about the amount of people that could actually join the private mentorship. Now that doesn't just apply to me. It could literally apply to any business or any person that you guys see potential in. If you guys see potential in any YouTuber that is selling a course, you guys could literally write down an email and tell them how you could promote his affiliate marketing, and for each person how much they should pay you, and boom, you literally have a way of income, a source of income that you could actually take care of and start generating money on. Now the fifth and last method that I'm gonna tell you guys is actually a video editing agency. Now this is completely different than all of the other side hustles, because this does not require any work at all. Now all you have to do is literally get a bunch of editors first by posting maybe an Instagram story or looking out for it on Fiverr, and then reaching out to businesses and telling them that you can create high quality videos for them. And that's something which I did in literally 2022. In 2022 I started calling up businesses and I kept telling them that I would come shoot a video and I would edit in the highest quality possible. For my editors, they would literally take $15. From the customer, I would literally take around $70 to $80 just for one video that's 1 minute long. That's around $60 to $70 in profit just in my own pocket. And the best part is, if they needed a change or anything like that, my editors would take care of it. So I wouldn't have to do anything inside the business. And all I would do is literally email those companies and get them inside my business. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys do not miss out on these side hustles, because 2023 is the easiest time for you to actually start making money. So do not miss out on the opportunities that you have.